Would you like to earn money by living the same life as you are living right now? What if I tell you that you can earn money while living the life as you are living right now by doing just a simple thing? So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I have a crypto project known as Tap N, which has a coin as well as an NFT with which you will be able to earn money while living your life exactly the same way. So, Stepin basically is the first mobile to earn non fungible gaming token powered by the Solana blockchain. With Stepin, every user will be able to earn GMT token by walking, jogging, or running. For that, you just need to buy an NFT shoe. So, there are different categories of shoes available in the market. Uh, each have their own speciality. Like for jogging, there is a certain speed range that needs to be maintained by to earn money, as well as like walking, in which you have lesser speed requirement to meet, and then you have some running shoes. So, what fits your requirement? Just go and buy that shoes. So let's talk about how does Stepin actually work. It is quite simple actually. The user is required to download the Stepin application as well as the wallet and transfer some of your Solana into that wallet and buy GMT tokens from it and GST token. After that, you need to pick up the shoes that fits your requirement, and what you need to do is recharge that sneaker up and just start running, walking, or jogging like a normal exercise you used to do. And with that, you will be able to earn GMT token or GST token, which you can either use to upgrade your NFT shoe, which later on you can sell. It's just similar to the in games applications like PUBG, Fortnite, or Clash of Clans. Like people used to like ace up their accounts and used to sell that up. So it's kind of a similar thing. So once you like have extreme the top level of some sneaker or jogger, what you can do is either flip that NFT sneaker or just keep it, and with time the higher level your sneaker or jogger reach, the earning will increase drastically. Let's talk about what makes a Stepin unique. Like there are multiple projects, but there has to be a catch in that. So basically, the Stepin is a move to earn crypto app which has social fi and GameFi elements. Stepin's GameFi intends to encourage the users to combat climate change by like pushing them to walk instead of using uh, like cars or public transports, so that which will restrict the carbon emission drastically, and you will be going carbon free environment. And with running you will be able to earn, which could be a motivation for many people out there. Other than that, it supports having a healthy lifestyle as well as link the public to the Web3 while relying on the social fi platform to create a stable component that fosters user generated Web3 content. So, what Stepping Coin is used for? So, as discussed before, there are two coins basically, like one is GMT and then the other one is GST, which is also known as Green Satoshi token. As the name suggests, green, like it is highly emphasizing on going green, like running instead of using carbon emission products such as cars, public transport buses, and such type. Also, there are multiple modes in it, like solo mode, marathon mode, as well as background mode. Like in the background mode, like if a user is like walking or like taking steps, so it will be counted as like moving, and which promotes basically a healthier lifestyle, as well as marathon mode in which you like you can participate in a marathon on a weekly or monthly basis, and in the solo mode like you just go on a run on your own. So if you do not like plan on investing in an NFT shoe, what you can either do is go and buy GMT, as it's pretty low these days. But since the Bitcoin shoot up to 37K, it went up as well, but still it's on it's pretty low right now. And I would highly recommend you to do your own research and get this coin as much as you can, as it can easily 100 or even 1000x your initial investment. But it is highly advisable to invest what you can afford to lose, as this market is pretty volatile, and I don't know what your risk appetite is, but I, as a researcher, can recommend you some projects on the basis of my research of, like, I do research a lot. Like, I have been in this space for quite a long while now, and I have been interacting with different multiple projects, as well as going through their white paper, as well as their social platforms, like social accounts, and interacting with the founders. So, I can vouch for that this token, but still, it's your money. I don't really I don't really know what risk appetite you have. Like, either you have only $100, or you don't mind putting 1,000 or $100,000 in a wallet buying GMT. So it is you who have to decide, but it's highly advisable to just buy as much as you can, and you will definitely thank me later in the bull run. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for much similar content. Thanks for watching.